Today, we're diving deep into the world of server memory upgrades with the NEMIX RAM 3TB DDR5 4800MHz kit designed specifically for the Dell PowerEdge R6625 rack server. This beastly upgrade boasts a whopping 3 TB capacity, comprising 12 modules of 256 GB each, utilizing DDR5 RDIMM technology. First off, let's talk performance. With a memory speed of 4800 MHz, this kit delivers lightning-fast data access and transfer rates, ensuring optimal server performance even under heavy workloads. Whether you're running intensive applications, virtualization environments, or demanding databases, the NEMIX RAM DDR5 4800 MHz kit has got you covered. But performance isn't the only thing this upgrade brings to the table. Built with ECC RDIMM, registered DIMM technology, it offers enhanced reliability and error correction capabilities, crucial for mission-critical server operations. Plus, it's specifically tailored for Dell servers requiring DDR5 RDIMM modules, ensuring seamless compatibility and hassle-free installation. Quality is paramount when it comes to server memory, and NEMIX RAM doesn't disappoint. Manufactured using a multi-layer density PCB with gold lead and major chipset components from Micron, Samsung, or Hynix, this kit is built to last. And with a lifetime replacement warranty backing it up, you can trust in its durability and longevity. Whether you're managing a tower server, rack server, blade server, or array, the NEMIX RAM DDR5 4800 MHz kit is designed to take your server performance to the next level. With over 3 decades of experience in supplying server RAM upgrades, NEMIX RAM continues to set the standard for quality and reliability in the industry. In conclusion, if you're looking to maximize the performance and reliability of your Dell PowerEdge R6625 rack server, look no further than the NEMIX RAM 3TB DDR5 4800 MHz upgrade. It's the ultimate solution for powering your server infrastructure with unparalleled speed, capacity, and dependability. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.